Hello art friends, welcome to Middle School Art Mania. We're going to be drawing Komaru Neagi, okay, by request. So get those pencils ready. Here we go. So to start with, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the head here, the body here, and we've got these little sleeves from her sweatshirt around her neck. Okay, so to start with, what I'm gonna do is up here, I'm going to draw a curved line, and then it's gonna go across, and then I'm gonna have a line coming down and back up like this, because she's got some hair there, and then we're gonna come back down like that, and then it's gonna come up, and then it's gonna meet back around up here like that. And that's the top of her head. And then we've got another kind of like letter C here that comes back like that. And then we've got another piece of hair that comes down like that. And we've got some little wispies. That. All right, so this right here is her ear, and then we have a line that comes down and comes back up and meets up with that hairline, and then we've got her mouth here that looks kind of like a heart, and then we have a line that comes out here, and then she's got her eyeball right here, and we're going to make this top line a little thicker, and then she has another eyeball here that just kind of comes out like this, because there's a suggestion of a nose here. Okay, so it's just like that. Then she's got her neck right there, and then we have her sweatshirt that just comes right back here and loops around, and it has another line that loops around and another line that loops around, and then that comes back around, comes down, and comes back up. There we go, just like that. All right, then underneath here, there is like a little triangle, and then we have her first sleeve that comes down diagonal, and then comes around, goes back up, comes out, comes back in, and then we have a little cuff right there. Okay, then we have another sleeve right here that comes out, and then back around, and then it continues down, comes around, back in, kind of skinny there. There's a little fold, and then we have the cuff, just like that. All right, then this part right here continues and comes out, back, it goes under, makes another little triangle right there, and then it has a line underneath of that. Continues right here, and then it goes back under again and comes back up like that. All right, looks good. Okay, and there is her sweatshirt. So now we're gonna do her arm. So her arm starts here and comes around. This is actually her sleeve, and then it has a wiggly line coming up, and it has some little folds in it. And then she's got a teeny tiny little arm that comes down like so, comes back up. Okay, and it kind of meets up with where that sleeve is. And then the hand just comes out a little bit, up, over, and back down into where her sweatshirt is. And then it comes around for her finger, back, around, gets a little thicker at the bottom, comes back. And then we've got like a little thumb here, comes around, goes back down. And then we're gonna draw this part of her arm first, and then we're gonna draw this part of her arm second because it overlaps. And there it is. Nice work. Okay, then down by her elbow, we have her shirt. And then that comes up. And we've got some little lines in it. And now for the skirt, we have a little line that comes out and down. And then back here, it just comes out, down, in. Okay, and we just keep repeating. Just like that. I think maybe there's a little button here. And it looks like these lines continue up, just kind of straight for the pleat in her skirt. And there's her skirt. And then she's got her one leg, back leg of the leg, and then here's the leg on the other side. And then there we go. I'm going to put some highlight lines up here. And then this will be lighter here and darker out here to show the shine of her hair. All right, I think we've got it. So, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.